Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is on similar shapes, part 2. These problems will be a little bit harder, so this is definitely one video that you probably want to watch more than once. Okay, so take a look at this problem on today's worksheet. Notice that we have 2x plus 8 here, and the goal here is to figure out what x is and then figure out the missing side. So, does everybody agree 2x plus 8 matches the 40? See how they're both on the bottom right, slanted side of the shape. So I know I'm going to start out by saying 2x plus 8 goes with 40. And that equals, now let's decide which two numbers we're going to use. We actually have two choices here, but I'm just going to use 20 and 25. I could use 16 and 20, but let's just use 20 and 25. I like those numbers better. So 20 goes with 25. Now note real quick that I kept the order. What do I mean by that? I went small, follow the green, to big shape. Then I went small again to big again. So looking down here at my proportion, I'm going to solve it by cross multiplying. And the key thing is, when we cross multiply this way, I'm going to have to use distributive property. So this 25 is going to times both the 2 and the 8. And if I do 25 times 2, that of course is 50x. And 25 times 8 is 200. That's going to equal 40 times 20, which is 800. And just to verify that, I have my handy dandy calculator here, which hopefully I can enlarge. Struggling a little bit here. There we go. Takes a while sometimes. But notice again, follow the gold, I guess. We know that 40 times 20 is 800. And of course, notice when I solve this, I am going to do 800 minus 200. And that means 50x equals 600. And again, look at my calculator screen right there. I know once I divide by 50, I know x is 12. And of course, I could now follow the red or purple. I can plug it back in there, and I hope you agree that 2 times 12 plus 8 is 32. So that missing side is 32. Again, pause the video and make sure you understand where I got all my calculations from. Okay, one more problem. And this one's a little trickier because if you notice, follow the purple please, that this shape is not standing up like the top shape there, is it? As a matter of fact, one thing you could do is quickly sketch it. Let me do a better job there. We could quickly sketch it. It is bigger than the original. And I hope you notice that the 49 is the shorter side and 3x plus 21 is the longer side. It's important that we get the correct sides to match up. So doing our math, does everybody agree, follow the goal, that 3x plus 21, 3x plus 21, 3x plus 21, let me make that a little annoying there it's hard to write. There we go. 3x plus 21 goes with, well, you could see right here, actually better, the 54, because it is the other longer side, right? I don't want to match it with the 42 because that's one of the shorter sides. And keep in the same order, I'm going to go 49 with 42. And again, I'm going to cross multiply, correct? And this time, hopefully, I can get my calculator here to work right. Let me slide it over here and enlarge it. There we go. And as you can see doing the calculations, that 3 times 42 is 126. And 21 times 42 is 882. And 49 times 54 is 2646, right? Okay, let me clean that up a little bit. And let's slide it on over here. So continuing with my cross multiplying, follow the red. I now know that 126x plus 882 equals 2646. Again, that was all the calculations that were in that calculator picture. Okay, and now let me enlarge the final calculator. And I guess I could slide it down here temporarily. But notice that I am going to minus the 882, follow the purple right here, and I'm going to get 1764. And then, of course, I'm going to divide by that 126, and my answer is going to be 14, right? Okay, so let's put that into action. Let me slide my calculator over here to the side. So, and I'm going to have to look through my writing, same with you here. So, finishing up, does everybody agree I'm going to minus the 882 both sides, as I showed you on the calculator. 126x is going to equal 1764, as shown on the calculator. And then when I divide by 126, x is 14, again shown on the calculator. Okay, so x is 14. What's next? I'm going to take 14, follow the green now, and of course plug it right in there. And I know 3 times 14 is 42. And 42 plus 21 is 63. So I just figured out that the missing side right there is 63. So guys, I hope everything I showed you made sense. And please definitely rewind, rewatch this video, pause this video over and over again until every step makes sense. Until next time, bye.